Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And first of all, so sorry for being inconsistent. Actually, I'm not able to take out time from college, and I'm taking time to adjust to this new environment as well. And I'm not getting time from the assignments and workload that is there in college. So I'm trying to make a schedule, and I will be on track hopefully very soon. And till then, you see this video, and then I'll be uploading another episode of the podcast that I have already recorded around 2 months ago, but I have to edit it, so I'm extremely sorry for that as well. And it to adjust in a new environment, like new college, new place to live. So I was living in Chandigarh itself earlier as well, but I was not living in this area, and like this, I had people around me who were helping me out with the everyday stuff, but now I have to manage my own, so it's kinda, sometimes we get tired also. So sorry for that. But today I and my friends, college friends, are going to Gita Mahotsav that happens in Kurukshetra. So I'll be showing you that place and the event. And I've never been to Gita Mahotsav, so it's my first time. So I have a lot of expectations, like it's a very nice cultural thing. A lot of artists come together from different fields and they perform there, and there are various competitions also. So I'm very excited. Let's see what happens there. So I'm already running late, so I'll see you there. Around 75 artists were invited to paint here at Gita Mahotsav, and the exhibition was held after this whole event was over. And we specifically came today to see the exhibition and the event. बहुत सुंदर सर, आपका नाम क्या है?
डॉक्टर राजेश जान से।
जी सर, थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे?
कृष्णा को बनाया है। पूरा जो महाभारत था उनको पहले से सब कुछ पहले से पता था, सब चीज़ें उन्हीं की ही रची हुई हैं, उन्हीं के अलग अलग स्वरूप थे। उन्होंने इसमें जो मेन पात्र जो बनाए वो अर्जुन को बनाया था। महाभारत की शुरुआत वैसे तो बचपन से ही जब ये लोग इकट्ठे रहते थे तब से ही मतलब आपस में घृणा भाव थे, किंतु यहाँ से जब उन्होंने जीता था स्वयंवर से मछली का जो निशाना किया था, तो तब के बाद वो एकदम सभी के सभी आपस में दुश्मनी हो गई। तो शुरुआत यहाँ से है। बाद में उन्होंने अर्जुन को ही माध्यम बना के सभी का संहार किया। वो सारी चीज़ों को मैंने इसमें एक पेंटिंग के जरिए बताया।
बता क्या बनाया तूने, एक्सप्लेन करना थोड़ा सा।
यार भगवद गीता में एक श्लोक है जिसका मीनिंग ये है कि भी हमें इंसानों को अपनी इंसानियत से सिर्फ इंसानों तक नहीं रखनी चाहिए, अब आसपास के नेचर और जानवरों तक पहुंचानी चाहिए। तो मेरी पेंटिंग का थीम यही था कि जब श्री कृष्ण मोर को इतना बड़ा औहदा दे सकते हैं कि वो उसके साथ एक तरह से कृष्ण अपनी मोर के साथ आइडेंटिटी शेयर करते हैं, क्योंकि अगर हम मोर को देखें तो हमें कृष्ण जी याद आते हैं, कृष्ण जी को देखें तो हमें मोर पंख याद आता है। तो वही मेरा थीम था कि भाई आधा फेस श्री कृष्ण का और आधा फेस मोर का हो, जिसमें वो आंखें भी शेयर कर रहे हैं, जिससे दुनिया को ये मैसेज पहुँचे कि जिसकी हम पूजा करते हैं वो जब जानवरों को इतना मानता था तो हम तो मान ही सकते।
so nothing much was happening here, and the stalls were also not open yet. So now we are going to see the museum. So I'll show you that as well. That's there in Kurukshetra. I have no idea what the museum, but my friends know, so we are going along with them. So let's see.
ये हमारी भी हेलो बड़ी मशहूर महाभारत की लड़ाई हुई थी, उसी के कुछ सीन्स को दर्शाते हुए ये म्यूज़ियम बनाया गया है। जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे सारे रिलीफ्स वगैरह देख सकते हो। ये पूरी महाभारत की कहानियाँ हैं। यहाँ पे कृष्ण जी का स्कल्पचर है, और मैं जैसे भगवद गीता का उद्देश्य देने के बाद भगवान ने अर्जुन को अपना विराट स्वरूप दिखाया, तो उसको रिलीफ फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट करते हुए ये एक दिलेश ढेरी नाम के स्कल्पटर का स्कल्पचर है। और यहाँ पे जितने भी हैं ऑलमोस्ट ये निदेश सर की हैं। यहाँ पे कृष्ण भगवान अर्जुन को उपदेश देते हुए दिखाए गए हैं, और जैसे ये सिंबॉलिक है कि उनके रथ के ऊपर हनुमान जी बैठे थे, वो भी बड़े अच्छे तरीके से दर्शाया हुआ है।
So we were not allowed to shoot any videos or photos inside the museum, but I still somehow managed to click some and shoot some videos, just to show you people about the level of artwork that was there in the time. And not only these are not only of North India, but some of them are from Tamil Nadu, Orissa, and different parts of places, and they all have shown Krishna in different ways and different styles on different mediums, and they've used a lot of different kind of stuff, like some are of brass, some are of clay as well, and some were of wood. So different kind of styles, and relief book was also there, which was extremely beautiful. It was done on wood. This is that work, and I really like this one. It was so beautiful, and it merged with the background and the edges, the legs, everything. It was carved out in a very beautiful way. And there were other artifacts as well, and most of the works that was there in the very beginning was done with wood. Most of them, not all of course, most of them. And some of them were contemporary, and there was a mixture of contemporary as well as the old ancient art, and you could see the dates were written, which one is contemporary and the dates that were mentioned. And they had these miniatures that were done, and it was extremely difficult to show it on camera because of the reflection of the light. And there were these beautiful installations that showed the life of Krishna, how he was brought to Vrindavan, and his childhood, and what happened throughout his lifetime. There was this beautiful sculpture of Krishna, and these pathways that you can see, they were painted with beautiful paintings. I'll be showing it to you.
चलो जाओ जाओ जाओ
So this is the path that I was talking about. My friends are taking pictures, please don't mind. So can you see the paintings, the rhythmic lines that have been used in the paintings to create that style and the sense of movement that we can feel while seeing these paintings? And so this is a lot of use of the elements, how different elements and principles can be used in art, along with realism, how symbolism, that is a huge part of the Indian art, can be used to create beautiful paintings. So by the time we saw the museums, the exhibition was on display. So we went to see the exhibition, talked to different artists from all over India, and it was a great experience. We met different people with different mindset. We got to know about different style, different kind of work, different kind of mindset, different thoughts. It was a very beautiful place to be, and you get motivated to work at home as well when you visit these workshops, these exhibitions. It was a very beautiful experience.
अच्छा, कहाँ से हैं आप? जयपुर से। बहुत अच्छा सर। आप एक बार थोड़ा सा बताएंगे कि आपने कौन सा सीन एक्सप्लेन करा है?
ये भगवान कृष्ण ने भीष्म पितामह की प्रतिज्ञा तोड़ दी थी। सॉरी, इनकी प्रतिज्ञा थी, इनकी कृष्ण की, कि मैं युद्ध में अस्त्र शस्त्र नहीं उठाऊंगा, तो किसी बात को लेकर के इनको उठाना पड़ा।
ओके ओके।
तो भीष्म पितामह के ऊपर रथ लेके भैया लेके तोड़ दी।
जी जी जी।
इधर
ये भी आपने
एक आस्था और विश्वास जो है हर एक प्रॉब्लम में
इनके अंदर महाभारत के और कुरुक्षेत्र में जो भी घटनाएं हुई उसको दिखाने की कोशिश की है। और जो हॉर्स है उस हॉर्स को एक योद्धा के रूप में बताया कि एक योद्धा इस पूरे युद्ध को किस नज़र से देखता है। इस पेंटिंग में वही चीज़
जी जी
पूरी राजस्थानी शैली में बनी हुई।
जी 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 जी, थैंक यू। वो मिनिएचर के इसमें वो एलिमेंट्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं। जी जी जी, ब्यूटीफुल।
मैं गुजरात बड़ौदा से अतुल पटी आर्टिस्ट। मैं जो ट्रेडिशनल मांडना कर रहा हूँ, तो मांडना को लेके और जो मेरा कंटेम्प्रेरी वर्क है सेमी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, तो मैंने ये जो अर्जुन और कृष्णा का संवाद है उसको मेरे फॉर्म में डाल के ये संवाद मैंने रचाया है। तो आई थिंक जो ट्रेडिशनल और कंटेम्प्रेरी दोनों को मिक्स
करके। जी जी जी, बहुत खूबसूरत।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू। Look at this beautiful painting, mixture of manuscript into a beautiful canvas with beautiful colors. And look at the eyes and the Ek Chashma view. That's the part of the Indian miniature art. So it has been exhibited very beautifully on this canvas. नाम क्या आपका?
प्रेमराज।
प्रेमराज, कहाँ से हो? हिसार से। कौन सी क्लास में? 8th में। वेरी नाइस, बहुत अच्छा बना। एक बार बताओगे आपने क्या बनाया? थोड़ी सी कहानी इसके पीछे की।
कहानी तो कुछ नहीं, सिंपल सा ही, ये कृष्ण और ये इन्होंने भगवत गीता दी थी, ये गीता बना दी और ये समझ।
जी जी जी, बहुत खूबसूरत।
Okay, everybody, so I'm home now, and it was a long day. And it was a really nice and a different experience. And Geeta Mahotsav is there till 30th December. So if you have not visited it and you are staying nearby in Chandigarh, in Karnal, or anywhere near Kurukshetra, you should definitely visit that place. It's amazing. The place has a whole different kind of vibe. So I really enjoyed that, and it is always great to visit places like this and enjoy life as well as learn from it. And there was the whole exhibition. There was a 3-day workshop, as I mentioned before. And today was the display of the final works of the artists, and it was beautiful, like so good. I really enjoyed that, and I hope you also enjoyed it. And if you stay nearby, please do visit, and you are going to enjoy the whole place and vibe of the place. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you like this. And do visit Geeta Mahotsav if you are in Kurukshetra or somewhere near Kurukshetra. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.